I'm showing you foot cream from Pumice Valley. This is in vanilla and it really smells good. This is what it looks like inside. It looks oily. It feels sort of oily, but it goes on really smooth. Putting it on a callus right here that I have trouble with. And I'll just go ahead and put it all down the side of my foot. It looks oily, but it really doesn't feel oily. It feels good. This holds the moisture in and doesn't let it evaporate from the skin. So it's really good. I want to put it on my heel because I have dry heels. I've been using this for a couple of weeks and it has really improved my skin. Let's see if the other foot needs it. Of course it does. And I'll do the same thing on it. It's good to put this on and then put some socks on if you're just going to be going to bed soon, and that will keep it off the carpet and it will keep it inside the sock and on your skin so it won't get on your bed or anything. I really like it. I think it's really doing a good job. Thank you to Pumice Valley for sending me this sample to try because I really do like it. I would recommend it to anybody who has dry heel or a callus that they need to work on.